Back in school, we were a group of craziest friends one can ever see. Today, I have 422 friends on Facebook, yet I'm lonely. I speak to all of them every day, yet none of them really knows me. I remember the time we were explorers, inventors, full of questions, not afraid to look outside. We were there for each other. It wasn't always about me, we cared about each other. If this was the end and fire, we would all burn together. But now, our world has changed. We followed our own paths, grew up searching for direction, searching for affection. Just hangouts were not enough. We plugged ourselves in. We wanted to be more efficient and go places faster, to reach people faster, to record our lives, to stimulate our senses, to earn self-esteem by likers and rebloggers. I look around and realize this media we call as social is anything but when we choose to open our computers and let the doors shut. This technology is just an illusion and we are addicted. But the time you step away from this device of delusion, you wake up into a world of confusion. For everyone out there is just swiping and typing. We are becoming unsocial and it no longer satisfies to engage with one another and look into someone's eyes. We choose to record our lives instead of living. We live for the social media without even actually existing. Photography became less about capturing moments and more about sharing our every action online. Back at school, it was fun to have night outs and chase the cars. Today, we started looking down at our phones instead of the stars. We allow technology to carve a space in our life which could have been used to let us celebrate. Our lives which has been left unsatisfied trying to prove our life's worth. We could have been used to help those in need has encouraged us to chase our own selfish goals. Has it all been worth it? When I was a child, I would never be home. I'd be out with my friends. On our bikes we would roam. Now the parks are so quiet, it gives me a chill to see no children outside and the swings hanging still. With each new advancement, we expected more. We became impatient when web pages didn't load. Being alone isn't a problem. Let me just emphasize that if you read a book, paint a picture, or do some exercise, you're being productive and present, not reserved or recluse. You're being awake and attentive. So unplug your phone, shut down those displays. We have a finite existence, a set number of days. Why waste all our time getting caught on the net, as when the end comes? Nothing's worse than regret. Look in your surroundings and make the most of today. Just one real connection is all it can take to show you the difference being there can make. Don't give in to a life where you follow the hype. Give people your love, don't give them your likes. Just connect to the real world. Just go out the road and leave all distractions behind. Look up from your phone to the world so wide. Unplug your device and have a bike ride. We don't have the technology to bring us back to where it all began, but we can start by having human connection and in togetherness again. We can leave the bubble we built for isolation and grow with the people in this world. Live your life and explore the wonders you Googled why.